Air handling units are designed to both filter and distribute air throughout a building. Networks of ducts, filters, sensors, and fans circulate air into and out of different sections of the building for air quality control. In centrifugal fan applications for an AHU, a motor is needed to rotate the fan in order to move the air. This motor can experience variability in its speed range due to a variety of reasons, including temperature changes and fluctuations in air pressure within the AHU. These issues can be mitigated by outfitting your system with a variable frequency drive. Variable frequency drives provide three key benefits to air handling unit operation: startup control, torque acceleration and speed control, and equipment efficiency. In each case, the VFD decreases wear and tear on your motors, extends the life of your equipment, reduces energy consumption, and simplifies maintenance in case a shutdown occurs, so that you can get back to business quickly. It is critical that you choose the right drive for your AHU application. With our assistance, you can buy an off-the-shelf drive-in-a-box solution or get an all-in-one drive application built to your exact specifications, shipped directly from us to your place of business. This solution eliminates some of the guesswork needed when building a panel and dramatically reduces installation and startup time. Standard equipment included with every drive-in-a-box are a variable frequency drive housed in a NEMA 12 enclosure, finger-safe power connections, a filter fan and exhaust filter, a main disconnect switch, motor output power terminals, a control transformer to power fan function, and engraved legend plates for indicators and controls. Additional customization options that are available for your build include a 3% or 5% line reactor, a 10% dynamic brake, a door-mounted keypad, start-stop speed pot controls, a forward-reverse selector switch, a hand-off auto selector switch, a power indicator, a drive running indicator, and a fault indicator and reset button. Get started today at Galco.com.